Meet the meanest Golf R ever built. Volkswagen has just dropped their latest creation, and this isn't just any Golf R. This is the 2025 Golf R Black Edition. And yes, it's exactly what you're thinking: darker, meaner, and more powerful than ever before. Let's get straight to what you really want to know. Under the hood, Volkswagen has squeezed even more power from their tried-and-true 2-liter turbo engine. We're talking 333 horses of pure German engineering. That's 10 more than before. Now, I know what you're thinking. Just 10 horsepower. But hold that thought, because this thing launches from 0 to 60 in just 4.6 seconds. And thanks to the standard performance package, it'll keep pulling all the way to 167 miles per hour. But the real party piece? It's the way this Golf R looks. Volkswagen has gone all in on the dark side. Everything, and I mean everything, has been blacked out. The badges? Black. The brake calipers? Black. Even the new illuminated Volkswagen logo gets the dark treatment. Rolling on exclusive 19-inch Estoril wheels, or the optional Forge wheels if you're feeling fancy, this Golf R looks like it's ready to steal Darth Vader's parking spot. Speaking of those new wheels, they're not just for show. They're 20% lighter than standard alloys, and here's the cool part: they're designed with massive openings that actually help cool the brakes. Perfect for when you're hunting supercars on track day. And trust me, you'll want to take this to the track. The Black Edition comes standard with the Performance package, which adds 2 special modes: Drift, yes, in a Golf, and Special, which was specifically tuned for the Nürburgring. There's even a larger roof spoiler providing real downforce. This isn't just marketing talk. This Golf R means business. Step inside, and you're greeted by Volkswagen's latest tech. There's a massive 12.9-inch floating infotainment screen that looks like it belongs in a luxury car. The digital cockpit now shows G-forces and even has a GPS lap timer, because why not? They've even added ChatGPT integration with the new voice assistant. Though personally, I'd rather listen to that exhaust note than chat with AI. Let's talk about the driving experience. The 4-motion all-wheel drive system with R performance torque vectoring isn't just fancy brochure language. It's what keeps this hot hatch planted when you're pushing hard through corners. And now the DCC adaptive chassis control comes standard, letting you switch from comfortable cruiser to track weapon at the push of a button. The steering wheel still has that signature blue R button, but Volkswagen's made it harder to accidentally activate race mode, probably saving a few awkward moments during school runs. They've also simplified the cruise control adjustments, because sometimes it's the little things that matter. Here's the bottom line. The Golf R Black Edition is what happens when Volkswagen's engineers are allowed to build their ultimate hot hatch. It's not just about the extra horsepower or the blacked out looks. It's about the complete package. This is a car that can dominate a track day, turn heads at a car meet, and still do a grocery run without breaking a sweat. Will it be cheap? Probably not. Will it be worth it? For the right buyer? Absolutely. The Golf R Black Edition is already released at European dealers, coinciding with the Golf's 50th anniversary. And if you're lucky enough to get your hands on one, you'll be driving what might just be the most complete Golf R ever made. What do you think about the Golf R Black Edition? Drop a comment below and let me know if you'd take this over its rivals. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content just like this. This is Auto TV, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.